Spanning hundreds of acres, this facility represents the cutting edge of heavy-duty train manufacturing.
Welcome to the heart of manufacturing, a place where precision engineering meets overwhelming scale, building the future of rail transport.
Watch the clearance on the bogie frame.
Clear. Bring it down slowly.
Clear the zone. Crane initiating lift sequence. Copy that. Zone clear.
Cross-referencing the CAD overlay now. Spot on.
Flawless execution.
Precision engineering on a massive scale. The synchronized production cells utilize advanced robotic welding to craft the next generation of train car bodies.
The alignment is confirmed at 0.8 millimeters. It's a pass.
Acknowledged. Releasing the frame now.
Okay, slowly lowering. Check the alignment pins, they're sliding in. Engage hydraulics, secure the panel.
Check the feed rate on cell 4.
Looks stable, right within tolerance. Check alignment on sector 3.
Looks good from here.
Positioning confirmed. Securing clamps.
Approaching maximum load.
Stress levels stabilizing within tolerance.
Confirmed. No deformation detected.
In the climate-controlled booth, advanced robotics apply the deep blue coat. Sensors meticulously check
the uniformity reading on screen 3.
Confirmed. All green across the passes.
Alignment confirmed on target 2.
Roger that. Bringing it down slowly.
Clear to torque.
Torque set. Go ahead and charge the line.
8 bar steady.
Guide it down gently. Watch the insulators.
Torque and front mounts now.
Continuity check passed. Aligning channel 2.
Hold it steady on your side.
Okay, clamps engaged.
Pressure spike at 98%. Deceleration curve is nominal.
Meets specification. Good run. Temperature is holding steady at 22 degrees.
The distribution map is green across all zones.
Load banks engaging. Check voltage.
Voltage stable, frequency holding steady. Ramping down now.
The culmination of years of precision engineering. The new high-speed electric passenger train is ready for final dynamic testing.
Intercom system reports full functionality.
Confirmed. I'm marking that complete.
Speed holding steady at 0.05 meters per second. Prepare for contact.
Standing by. Engagement looks smooth.
Positive coupling achieved. Initiating lock sequence.
All systems nominal across the train set.
Confirmed. We are green for conclusion.
Test sequence successful. The motor response is well within parameters.
Acknowledged. Rolling resistance looks good from here.
That's the final approval for the build records.
Great. We are clear for shipment.
Barriers are open. Clear to proceed on track 1.
Roger that. Departure sequence initiated.
All checks complete. We have clearance for dispatch.
Securing these massive train sets requires meticulous precision. Every transport lock must be tightened to exact specifications before long-haul movement.
Ensure all welding certifications for the bogie assembly are logged.
Verified against the Q3 standards, Auditor. We are ready for final approval.
Okay, let's initiate the system check sequence here. Ensure all indicators are green before proceeding.
Got it. Looks like everything is nominal.
Efficiency targets met across the board.
Confirmed. Submitting the report now.
The sensor just went green. We're stable.
Confirmed. Let's finalize the paperwork for storage.
The redundancy here ensures continuous operation even under fault conditions.
Very impressive indeed. We are happy to formally accept the delivery.
Congratulations to the team.
This represents years of dedication. The future of rail travel starts now.
Look at the vibration metrics from the bogies. We can optimize the welding sequence here.
Yes, that correlates with the recent aluminum batch.
Data integrity is confirmed, ready to sync.
The bottleneck at Station 4 is affecting our tack time.
The simulation features a 15% increase in throughput with these.
Looks good. Pushing the update to the floor now.
Warranty parameters configured. Archiving the digital twin now.
Confirmed. Baseline data is secured.
The diagram for the high voltage system looks correct now.
Good.
Let's get the final signatures and push it to the secure portal. This is Engineer 1-2 reporting a simulated traction failure. Escalation workflow initiated. Awaiting response.
The recycling rates for the aluminum are exceptional this quarter.
Indeed. All metrics consolidated, ready for final submission.
We finalized the dynamic testing phase under budget and ahead of schedule. With all milestones confirmed, the program is officially closed.
Ensuring the lessons learned from the high-strength steel fabrication are securely archived is critical for the next phase.
All indicators are green. Cycle count matches the log.
Perfect. Disconnecting the interface now.
Pay close attention to the updated safety alert scrolling now. We're at 150 days, and let's keep that momentum going and adhere to the new Protocol 7B.
Takt time is stabilizing across all buffers.
Confirmed. We are at steady state production.
We should group these by impact.
Yes, the welding sequence needs to be prioritized.
Agreed. Let's pilot that on the next unit.
The ramp plan is confirmed. We have the capacity for the next order cycle.
Excellent work, everyone.
Temperature probe is showing nominal range. Good.
The predictive model will integrate this baseline.
Calibration locked and tagged.
The firewall configuration is complete. All scans are showing green across the network.
Confirmed. Encryption keys updated and sessions closed.
Isolation sequence initiated.
Backup systems are online. Switchover confirmed.
Timing verified, well within tolerance.
Full green across the board. The regression tests passed validation.
Confirmed. Performance metrics are solid.
I'm signing off the release notes for deployment.
Thermal limits are holding steady across the battery modules.
Confirmed. We can begin the recovery phase.
Battery temperature holding steady. Motor status is green.
Logging successful cold start. We are within parameters.
The sweep is complete. All levels are nominal.
Excellent. We are within the required parameters.
If we change the sequencing here, the alert clears faster.
Agreed. I'll approve that adjustment on the tablet.
This is an accessibility announcement. Please mind the gap when exiting the train. Priority seating is available upon request.
The ramp-up schedule is confirmed. We have full supplier readiness.
Let's move forward with the buffer strategy implementation.
The geometry settings are approved. We can proceed with logging.
Confirmed. Logging the results now.
Gloss retention holding steady at 95%, well within tolerance.
Confirmed. Marking as compliant and archiving the data now. Check the raw material batch hash against the final test log.
Timestamps confirmed. End-to-end traceability verified.
All systems checked and verified. Route documents are in order.
Clearance received. We are good for departure. Activating continuous monitoring for the departing fleet.
I'm showing a spike in the traction temperature on the 4 p.m. eastbound.
Rerunning the diagnostics, it seems to be leveling out.
Looks nominal now. Validation logged.
By fine-tuning the feature weights, the team significantly improved the ROC curve. The updated predict checksums validated. Simulation successful.
Parameters confirmed.
Approving readiness for staging.
The analysis confirms the sensor issue was tied to the vendor QA process. We have sign-off here.
Looks good. That addresses the root cause. Approved on my end as well.
Now that the fault is active, proceed with the guided workflow on the tablet.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
Certification complete.
We've correlated the service data.
The new forecast stabilizes the cost curves right within the target.
Perfect. I'll submit the updated outlook.
On-time delivery is at 98% again this quarter.
Tier 1 stability remains strong across the board.
The service data confirms the emissions reduction targets have been met.
Perfect. Submitting the final report now.
Ensure the high-strength steel specs are linked here.
Validated. The approval gates are clear for the diesel-electric team.
Excellent. The update is now live.
The SLAs are aligned, and the performance targets are clear.
Agreed. The partnership is officially launched.
Look at the stabilization here. The indices are exceeding our targets.
All right, let's sign off on the extended maintenance schedule for the fleet.
The Q3 efficiency gains look promising if we align these milestones.
Agreed. I'm assigning the software integration to your team.
This supplier notice confirms the new component should work.
Agreed. Approving the alternate path now, we are good to go.
We need to prioritize the Houston expansion. Our capacity won't handle the projected throughput.
Agreed. Headcount is the bottleneck.
All indicators are green. Logging confirmation for the shift.
Acknowledged.
The new standards require adjustments to the diesel-electric systems documentation.
Understood.
This covers the hazardous material recovery and circular reuse targets.
The metrics are confirmed. Archiving the plan now.
The availability index jumped significantly in the APAC fleets.
Yes, that confirms the maintenance protocol changes. We should highlight the delta in energy efficiency next.
The final review confirms all objectives were met on schedule.
And the knowledge base is fully preserved for the next program.
The demand curves are responding well to the new parameters.
Look, the capacity gaps in the northern corridor are turning green.
Look at the updated ROI, Tom.
Excellent. We finalized the funding decisions and schedule the implementation for Q3.
The simulation shows a 20% reduction in cycle time.
Excellent. We are clear to finalize the deployment roadmap.
Watch the alignment closely. The diagnostics tablet will highlight any deviation outside the tolerance parameters.
Well done. We have a Tier 1 supplier outage in the south, rerouting via rail.
The impact is minimal. Stress test complete. Saving configuration.
The European equivalencies have cleared, and the Asian Pacific matrix is fully compliant.
Excellent. Let's finalize the documentation.
All green on the latency monitors. We have 0 deviation.
Excellent. I'm logging the performance metrics now.
The uptime guarantees are holding steady at 99.8%.
And the delivery performance is right on target.
Excellent. We approve the continued execution.
The energy storage system is reaching TRL 6.
We should push this design for the pilot program.
I agree. The simulation data looks promising.
With the successful validation of our Scope 3 emissions data, we've met the 2030 target 6 years early.
This is excellent progress across the board.
The fatigue threshold on the aluminum lithium is exceeding our expectations.
Yes, the microstructure looks stable. We can approve this batch for integration.
The simulations confirm stability across all grid connections.
Excellent. We can approve the phased investments and export the plans. Geotech surveys are complete. All systems clear for the next phase.
Confirmed. Authorizing detailed design now.
Rerunning the simulation with the new parameters.
Defect probability is down by 20%. We are good to deploy.
As you can see on the screen, our shared standards have resulted in a significant 20% gain in productivity and improved quality metrics.
So we're confirming the mentorship track for the controls engineers.
Yes, the skill gap analysis supports this placement.
Excellent. Let's finalize the Q3 placements.
The data confirms the effectiveness. Let's move forward with the factory expansion.
The precision engineering here is what makes these engines so efficient.
And this leads directly to the apprenticeship program, right?
Yes, please sign up at these kiosks for the next training session.
The data on electrification trends clearly supports expanding the high-speed corridor here.
Yes, but we must consider...
By integrating these autonomous systems, we achieve the carbon neutrality targets laid out here.
And the timeline for the electric train rollout aligns perfectly.
The renewable energy adoption trajectory looks strong here. Yes, but we must ensure Scope 3 aligns.
I'm reviewing the supplier commitments now. They seem robust for Q4.
As you can see, the efficiency metrics are exceeding benchmarks.
The real-time adjustments are flawless. We can approve the expansion.
The peak shaving metrics look excellent.
Agreed. Locking the new configuration now for continuous optimization.
Exception logs clear on my side.
Hash is confirmed, versioning matches.
All right, the digital thread is fully reconciled. We are good for production.
Based on these results, we are pleased to grant the Global Best-in-Class certification.
Thank you. This is a tremendous achievement for the team.
As we transition to the new programs, these playbooks are essential. Focus specifically on the integration checklist. Our dynamic testing shows a 40% increase in efficiency, setting a new industry standard.